guys, welcome back. Today's a new day and our agenda is the garden. So I've got to get it cleaned up and uncovered from the winter because I never really got it cleaned up last year because the busted up elbow. So I've got to get that done. We're in March. It's time to start thinking about seed starting and getting the garden ready, and it hasn't been turned. It's compacted. It's well, covered in everything. So I need to get all this cleaned up. And then a friend of mine suggested I might be able to borrow his tractor PTO tiller, and that would make this better because my tiller is down and this ground just isn't to a point where we can even attempt like a no-till approach. So let's get cleaning. Guys, I've got a bunch of old landscape fabric that needs to come up, my silage tarps, all the soaker hoses are still in the ground. It's just, there's a lot. Well, the good news is there's worms. All right, I got all the landscape fabric up, and I'll be honest with you guys, the soil is in better shape than I thought it would be. It's still not like ideal, but compared to the first 2 years we put a garden out here, it's making its improvements. So I'm finding worms underneath the fabric, which is the first time. I really didn't have that much last year. I still got to get the silage tarp up. I didn't plant that side of the garden, so I'm not sure what to really expect over there. But this side that did have a little bit of growth and has had some stuff dying and kind of, I guess, breaking down over the winter, we're getting some worms in it, which is fantastic. So I did use like the landscape fabric staples in the ground to help hold it. I don't know if I'm going to do that again because it's hard to know if I got them all up, and you know, I don't want to run over them and put a tractor tire out of commission. So I don't know if I'll use those again, but I also know that I'm going to get better fabric the next time I put that down. So I don't know if it's going to be in the budget this year to be able to afford something like that, but for sure the next time I put down landscape fabric, I'm going to buy better stuff so that it doesn't just shred. That stuff is just disintegrating. What was supposedly kind of the more quality stuff. So I'll probably go to an actual nursery or something, or you know, something like that, and get it as opposed to the big box store next time. And honestly, I think one of them came from Amazon, which isn't, you can get some good stuff there, but maybe I just need to do the research and see. But anyways, so I've still got to get up all the soaker hoses, which ought to be easier now. And then once I get the soaker hoses up, I can get the silage tarp up. And then last thing I need to do is actually get these T-posts out of the ground so that I can run a tiller through here. So I'm going to start working on that, and then I may give my buddy a call and see when would be a good time for him to come over, or for me to go pick up that tiller if he's going to let me still use it. And I don't know, I doubt we get through all that today, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. So last year that stuff was hard as a rock still. I don't know how well you can see from the video, but this is the side of the garden that has been covered for about a year now because I just didn't use it last year, and I probably should have uncovered it. I don't know, but either way, life happened and I didn't. The soil quality over here is in pretty good shape too. It's not all compacted, and so yeah, let's see. I'll see if I can show you guys. That's good. In fact, that's great, especially considering the clay bed we have. So, man, this is going way better than I thought it would. So I'm gonna get the last one up, and I'm actually getting excited about gardening this year. We'll see how it goes. Every year, as long as we make little improvements, I'll be happy.
Make a video of our first new horse?
Of course. But we gotta continue working towards it, and you're doing an awesome job.
Yeah.
So, as you can see, I've got a helper, my little mini-me, and Noah was out here helping us too, but he's time for nap. So we got the garden uncovered, and it looks good. The soil's looking good. We found worms, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yep.
We had to rescue one.
That's right. We had to rescue them from the silage tarps. So I've got all the timber and stuff that was holding all that stuff down out of the way. Got the rocks up, and we're ready for the tiller. And my buddy said that weather permitted, he'll come by next weekend and we'll see if we can't turn the ground, which should only take a few minutes because it's not a big garden. And yeah, all we got left for now is I need to take all that really garbage landscape fabric and go throw it in the trash. So I'm gonna do that, and that'll probably be all I get to today. So thank you guys for watching. Eden, you want to say anything?
Bye, everyone.
Have a blessed day.
See you next time.